My name is Tresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find out-of-state rental properties to invest in. Now, it's definitely a personal preference whether you want to invest close to home or in your favorite vacation spots. But if you're planning on investing in buy and holds for short-term or long-term rentals, you need to consider the location first and foremost. Now, if you're trying to get as many doors as you can for the long-term rental strategy, the Midwest may be the perfect location for you because they have a lower overall housing prices, so your dollar will stretch further there. However, if you're looking for short-term rentals, then you want to maybe pick a location you wouldn't mind visiting, because that's the best thing about having a vacation rental, or at least a location where others would want to visit. The most lucrative short-term rentals are in locations that you can rent out all year long. Be careful with short-term rentals that are seasonally specific. Now, once you make the decision as to whether you want to do short-term or long-term rentals out of state, and you do the research on your location, you can start looking at potential properties. Another great tip is that if possible, find a property that will not need much rehab unless you have boots on the ground to oversee the project. Managing a flip out of state can be very difficult and sometimes not even worth the cost of traveling back and forth with how frequently you would need to visit a job site. Now, how to find out-of-state properties? Several different ways. You could always look on the MLS. If so, make sure that you are looking for properties that have been listed for a good while, or properties that you see that price dropping. Or you can do any of our marketing strategies to off-market properties. Remember, we're looking for distressed and or motivated sellers. We want to purchase these properties at the right price. So when you find those lists, send out mailers, maybe text blasting, email campaigns, or social media marketing. However, it's always important to take a walkthrough of the property either in person, or again, have boots on the ground, or even a virtual tour. You can have the seller just FaceTime you all the way through the property. You want to make sure that you look at every nook and cranny inside and outside, or you can just take a quick visit to that property before you sign the contract. And another great tip is to always use that property management company. This is especially true for out-of-state rentals. If something goes wrong,
everybody panic! Oh my God!
You cannot rush over and fix it. So having a property management for out-of-state rentals will help you feel more secure. It's also going to give your tenant a much better experience. So whether you are talking short-term, mid-term, or long-term rentals, you need a property manager. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you want to see in the next one. If you want to learn more about how you can create financial freedom for you and your family, join me for my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass, linked down below. And always, I'm Tresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.